completed 12 years Aranyavasa and were deemed where to live without anybody's knowledge.
Brothers, we successfully completed our Aranyavasa.
Brothers, we have a boon from Yamadharma Raja that we can take any form so that none can identify us. We can choose one of the kingdoms like Panchala, Chedi, Matsya, Salva, etc.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. We take shelter in Virataraja. I will be named as Kankubatu and I will entertain the king with dance, etc.
I am very fond of cooking. I can cook food and please everyone.
By the name
Brothers, being first by Urvasi, I will take the form of Enid by the name Brihannala. Now I will teach dance to Princess Uttara.
I know Ashwarya and I can take care of horses by the name of Granthika. Draupadi,
I can herd the cows by the name Tantripala.
Draupadi can serve Queen Sudeshna as Sairandri. Now, where do we hide our weapons? Yes, that is a graveyard. There stands a cemetery. We will hide our weapons there.
Maharaju keeps the bundle and prays the tree.
O Vriksharajana, protect our weapons.
Leading the weapon, disguising themselves, Pandavas spent nearly 1 year serving Virata. In Hastinapura, Kauravas were in the panic. They want to find Pandavas and send them to exile another 30 years.
Where are the Pandavas hiding? No clue at all. Do these mighty Pandavas become an ant to hide? Our spies cannot find out where they are.
According to my calculation, wherever the Pandavas are hiding, that kingdom will be in prosperous condition. Think about any kingdom which has prosperity.
Pitamaha, I am getting an idea. I heard Ikata, the mighty warrior, was killed by Grand Gandhara.
If you remember, the 5 people like Bhima, Jarasandha, Kichaka, Jayadratha and yourself were born at the same time. If any one of you gets killed by any one person, the others also will be killed by the same person.
Now I understand. The Pandavas are hiding in Virata kingdom. Let us invade the Virata kingdom.
So they led their army to the south of Virata kingdom.
King Virata! Oh King Virata! Oh King Virata, Kaurva army is invading and penetrating into the southern part of our kingdom.
Inform our Senapati to lead the army towards south. I too will join them.
Prince! Prince! Uttara Kumara, Kaurva army led by Drona, Bhishma, Duryodhana and Karna are taking away our cows.
రథాన్ని సిద్ధం చేయండి. అయ్యో, రథసారథులందరూ పితామహునితో వెళ్ళారే, ఇప్పుడెలా?
అన్నా, మా గురువు బృహన్నలతో ఒకసారి బయటకు వెళ్ళాను. ఆయన మా రథాన్ని ఎంతో నేర్పుతో నడిపారు. ఆయనను తీసుకువెళ్ళన్నా.
ఆయన ఆ పేరు మూటి వాడినా?
అలా అనకు అన్నా. కురువంశరాజుల తల బాగా కుచ్చులు చాలా బాగుంటాయని విన్నాను. అవి తెచ్చిపెట్టన్నా, నా బొమ్మలకు పెట్టుకుంటాను.
సరేలే, బృహన్నలను పంపించు.
ఉత్తర కుమార,
అన్నా, ఇదిగో బృహన్నల.
బృహన్నల, రథమును సిద్ధం చేయి.
ఉత్తర కుమార,
బృహన్నల, నేను యుద్ధం చేయలేను. బృహన్నల, నేను ఈ యుద్ధం చేయలేను. కాకులు తీరిన కొల్లోగులు ఎక్కడా? చిన్నవాడిన నేనెక్కడా?
ఆగు ఉత్తర, ఆగు. నీకు రథములు నడుపు, నేను యుద్ధం చేశాను.
నీవా?
అవును, నేనే అర్జునుడను. వెళ్ళు, ఆ షమి చెట్టుపై మా ఆయుధాలు ఉన్నవి, తీసుకురా.
అర్జున, ఇవి ఆయుధాలు కావు, శవము శవము.
ఓ వృక్షరాజమా, నేను అర్జునుడను.
Taking the weapons, he shoots Sanmohanastra, making the whole army sleeping. In this victory, the Samitri protected the weapons of Dharma. From that time onwards, the city is worshipped. Thank you.